In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import MKV files into Davinci Resolve in just 5 minutes. If you're working in Davinci Resolve, you might encounter a variety of file formats, and MKV is a popular one that sometimes poses a challenge. However, with a few straightforward steps, you'll be able to bring your MKV files into the program and start editing without any hassle. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up Davinci Resolve. Whether you're new to this software or a seasoned pro, making sure you're in the right tool is crucial to ensure everything proceeds smoothly. Once you launch the application, you'll be greeted by the startup page displaying all your projects. Here, you need to click on the project you want to work on. Don't worry if you haven't created a new one yet. You can easily start a new project and go from there. After you've selected your project, we're heading to the edit page. This is where the magic happens. You'll find various panels here, but our next stop is the media pool. It's your go-to area for all your media files. Look around the interface and you'll spot a tab labeled Media Pool. Give it a click. Once inside the media pool, you'll see options to handle your media files. Focus on the Import Media button, usually located at the top of the media pool panel. By clicking this, a browse window will pop up, letting you navigate to the folder where your MKV files are stored. Select the MKV file you want to import and hit open. But here's an even quicker method. If you're someone who prefers drag and drop simplicity, Davinci Resolve has you covered. Simply open your file explorer, locate your MKV file, and drag it right into the media pool. The software immediately recognizes the file and begins importing it for you. Once the file is in the media pool, you're ready to go. You can now drag the file from the media pool directly to the timeline in the edit page, where you can begin your editing process. Davinci Resolve supports a wide range of file formats, so now with the MKV file in place, you should have all the flexibility you need to start crafting your project. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to import MKV files into Davinci Resolve, allowing you to integrate videos smoothly into your projects. I hope you find this guide helpful as you explore the creative possibilities that Davinci Resolve offers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more videos for more tips and tricks.